Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, in the previous class, we have seen about what is Biot-Savart law and potential energy acting in the magnetic field, torque experience in a magnetic field, uniform magnetic field. Okay, all those things we have seen. Okay, in today's class, we are going to see about magnetic field due to a long straight conductor that is carrying the current. Okay, and also we are going to see magnetic field produced along the axis of a current carrying coil. Okay, today's class these two derivations are very important 10-mark questions. Okay, go through it very clearly. Okay, watch the derivation clearly. Right now, magnetic field due to a long straight conductor, carrying current. Okay, magnetic field due to a long straight conductor that is carrying the current. Okay. This is a long straight conductor. Okay, I am drawing here. Long straight conductor. Okay, this is Y. Okay, and this point is Y dash. Okay, this midpoint is O. Okay, and this is at a distance point P. Okay, at a distance point P, and this is L. Okay, this is L. Taking a small distance, that is DL AB. Okay, now this distance from A to P, distance A to P is R. Here the angle is D pi. Okay, here it is pi 2, it is pi 1. Okay, the angles are pi 2, pi 1 and D phi. Okay, and this is OP distance is A, AP distance is R. Okay, and this distance OL, that is OY is L. Okay, here this is the point C and this angle is the theta. Okay, draw the diagram. Okay, draw the diagram. Now, according to Biot-Savart law, okay, Biot-Savart law. In the previous class, we have seen Biot-Savart law, isn't it? So, what is Biot-Savart law? That is magnetic field. Okay, that is dB is equal to mu naught 4 pi I dl sine theta by R square into N cap. Okay, this is the Biot-Savart law. And here we are taking the triangle ABC. See here, ABC. In the triangle, eduthu varairen. Okay, va? Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. This is A, C, and B. Okay. So, what is sine theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so that is AC by AB. AC by AB. Okay, from this equation, what is AC? Sin theta equal to AC by AB. So what is AC? AC is equal to AB sin theta. AB sin theta. And what is AB? See the diagram. AB is DL. So AB equal to DL ngradnala we are applying AC equal to DL sin theta. DL sin theta. Okay, and from this triangle it is completed. In next triangle APB. Okay, APB is equal to D pi. Okay, that is equal to D pi. Okay, so angle APB is equal to angle BPC also, that is equal to D phi. That is equal to D phi. Okay, in take the triangle APC. Take the triangle ABC. See this triangle. Okay, this triangle APC up to here only we are taking. Okay, take that triangle, apply sin theta. Okay, there anga D phi irukka, appo sin D phi, that is equal to AC by AP. AC by AP. How AC by AP? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Idukku opposite side AC by AP, that is the hypotenuse. Okay, do you understood? Now write AC is equal to AP sin D5. AP sin D5. Okay, what is AP? See here, what is AP? R. So AP equal to R, isn't it? So that is R into sin D5. Okay, AC equal to R into sin D5. Okay. So we came to a conclusion that sin D5 is very small. Sin D5 is very small. So we are replacing it with D5. Sin value is get cancelling. Sin value is get cancelled. Okay, AC equal to R sin D5, that is very small. Then sin value get cancelled. So what happened? AC is equal to R into D5. R into D5. Okay, here AC equal to DL sin theta, AC equal to R D5. We are getting two values. Okay, mark it. Right, now dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta 4 pi r square n cap. Okay, here you apply mu naught by 4 pi I dl ku badla what? See here, AC value rendu same irukka. So appo enna eludhalam? DL sin theta is equal to R D5 எழுதிக்கலாமா? So inga DL sin theta irukla, adukku badala R D5. R D5. Okay, you understood? By R square into n cap. You understood? Right, now this R and R get cancelled. So what happens? Mu naught by 4 pi into I R get cancelled, isn't it? D5 into n cap. Okay, you understood? Okay, Now, let phi be the angle between AP and OP. AP, OP. Renduku nadusla angle phi. Here phi 2 and here phi. Okay. So, let's take that. Okay. Take the triangle OPA. Take the triangle OPA. Here cos phi is equal to A by R. Cos phi is equal to A by R. Okay. Now, R is equal to A by cos phi. A by cos phi. Okay. Now, dB equal to mu naught, that previous equation, I d5 by 4 pi r into n cap, isn't it? This is the previous, this is r la apply pannunga, mu naught I into d5 4 pi into a by cos 5 into n cap. Okay. Now, mu naught I into d pi cos மேல பேருது cos 5 by 4 pi a into n cap. Okay. This is dB. This is dB. Okay. Now, this is the magnetic field for a small element. Now, for total magnetic field, we are going to find total magnetic field. Total magnetic field. Okay. So, that is B vector is equal to dB, that tends from minus phi 1 to pi 2. Okay. Minus phi 1 to minus phi 2 mu naught I by 4 pi a cos 5 d5 into n cap. Okay. Now you integrate it. Do you know the integration? Do it by yourself. Have you done the integration? Now, cos phi is integrated to, take the common one outside, mu naught I by 4 pi a. Okay. Cos phi is changed to sin phi. Okay. Now, the lower limit pi 1, upper limit pi 2. Okay. Substitute it here, mu naught I by 4 pi a into sin pi 1 plus sin pi 2, that is n cap. Okay. Phi 1 and phi 2 value are 90 degree. If, okay. So, what happens? B vector becomes mu naught into I by 4 pi a. Okay. And 2 n cap. It becomes 2. Okay. So, 2 get cancelled. So, mu naught I by 2 pi a into n cap. Okay. Right. That's all. This is the first one. Total magnetic field. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay. This is the magnetic field. Infinitely long conductor, that is a carrying current. Current carry பண்ணுதா? Okay. Current flows. Current is carrying here. Point P வச்சிருக்கோம். இதில இருந்து AB ன்னு ஒரு சின்ன small element எடுத்துட்டு அந்த small element ஓட what magnetic field கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு integrate பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படினா total magnetic field நமக்கு கிடைச்சிரும். Okay வா? Very easiest one. Okay, go through it. It is very easy. Okay children. Okay, have you written? Write it down. Now the next derivation, that is magnetic field produced along the axis of current carrying circular coil. Current carrying circular coil. Okay, right. Take a circular coil. Okay, take a circular coil. Okay. Here take a small element, here also take a small element, okay, that is DL, here also that is DL, and the point is marked as C, here it is marked as D, okay, C and D. Now take a point P, okay. Here it is 90 degree. The angle is 90 degree, okay, the midpoint O. This distance is R, okay, this distance OD, that is R. This distance is denoted as EZ. Here it is R vector, here it is also R vector. Now it goes on 90 degree, okay, 90 degree. Here only magnetic field is created. So we are going to find the magnetic field that is produced along the axis of a current carrying circular coil. This is the current. Okay, this is the current, right? Okay. Here R vector is equal to PC and that is equal to PD. PC and PD the same R vector. Okay, right? Now we are going to apply the Biot-Savart law. Okay, Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. Okay, what is Biot-Savart law? dB is equal to, tell with me, mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square into r cap. Okay. Now here this point is resolved, okay, it is resolved, so into horizontal component and vertical component, okay, at the point O it is resolved into dB sin theta and here also dB sin theta. As it is opposite to each other, it gets cancelled, okay, here it is dB cos theta. Here also dB cos theta, it only left, it both cancels each other, right? Now at the point P, what happens? At the point P, apply the Biot-Savart law, that is B vector is equal to dB equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I dl by r square into cos theta, okay. Here it is a circumference, okay, it is a circumference, so the point is 0 to 2 pi r, okay, right. So what happens, this r square, okay, r square you are going to find, okay, cos theta and r square, you are going to find from here, okay. Take a triangle, okay, take the triangle, apply, okay, take this triangle, okay, take this triangle. Z, the r vector, inga vandu r, isn't it? Okay, take this triangle. Here, take the hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, isn't it? So, what is hypotenuse here? r, okay, r square is equal to z square plus r square. So what is r? R equal to root of z square plus r square, okay. So in the r ku kandupidichachu. Next cos theta. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? What is adjacent side? R, okay, r by root of z square plus r square. That r, no? Right. Now you apply it here, okay. So common terms mu naught by 4 pi, okay. I dl by r square what is dl by r square into cos theta, okay. So here 0 to 2 pi r. அப்போ என்ன ஆகுது 0 to 2 pi r mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square into cos theta எப்படி எழுதுறோம் r by z square plus r square the whole power 1 by 2. ஏன் அப்படி எழுதுறோம்? இதை என்ன எழுதலாம்? ரூட்டை 1 by 2ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாமா? ஓகே. now so take the common one outside, not the common one, the values, okay, that is mu naught I into r by 4 pi z square plus r square, okay. The r square என்னது? z square plus r square, no? Okay, so write it here, z square plus r square. That is here, okay, z square plus r square and z square plus r square whole power 1 by 2 and this is 0 to 2 pi, that is dl. The dl is there, okay. So dl தான் என்னது? length, அது circumference ன்னு சொல்கிறோம், ஓகேவா. ஸோ mu naught I r இப்போ 4 pi இதை மொத்தமாக எப்படி எழுதிடலாமா? z square plus r square whole power 3 by 2. சரி, அப்போ இங்கே அப்ளை பண்ணுவோமா? 2 pi r, okay, and minus 0. 2 pi r minus 0, okay. Right. Now what happens? திரும்ப எடுத்து எழுதுவோமா? mu naught I r 2 pi r divided by 4 pi z square plus r square whole power 3 by 2. In the 2 get cancel ஆகுதா? So here 2, okay. Now I am writing here, okay. Next, so b is equal to mu naught I into r square by 2 into r square plus z square power 3 by 2. Power 3 by 2. Okay, if the value 0, in special case, no, if z is equal to 0, okay, special case, if z is equal to 0, then what happens? B vector is equal to mu naught n times, okay. So n times, for n times it become n into I into k, okay, by 2 r, okay. That's all, okay children. Write down the homework. Today's derivations 2, okay. Today's 2 derivation, that is your homework and assignment, okay. Make it as an assignment properly. Go through it, go through your book also, okay. In your book, for the first question, that is B A nu maathikonga, okay va? Right. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.